Look at the monster!
See, it's less fun now.
Blah, blah, blah. Why? Why, Mommy? I spit out everything. Oh, God.
Robocopter.
Oh, my God. There's a cat. Oh, my God. We're being attacked by a cat. Giant kitty.
Watch this. I'm gonna turn the car on.
See if it leaves. Yep, that's funny. I gotta unzoom it. Okay. Look at a snake, oh my God. Turn it around. Oh no!
After practice, the house and the full-time job.
Maybe not.
My favorite song. This is my favorite song ever.
Don't lick me! Hold on, I gotta fix this. Ow! Did I hit you in the face with my hair?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's my. What the heck?
Look at my hair. I know, look at mine. I do not want. I do not want it. That's our school. Yay! And a truck.
Oh, God.
Crack is whack.
2 inches and 4 feet.
2 inches and 4 feet.
It says 2 inches. See the little thing? It means inches.
And 4
That
feet.
means inches.
I think it means 2 minutes.
60 feet, 70 feet, 80 feet, 90 feet. I'm growing! Oh, that'd be mean. Let me not say that. What? That's so mean. It'll stop at like 4.
No, it won't. It will never stop.
What was that?
Oh, that was a brush.
I forgot. The brush bites you. That's wrong. That's so wrong.
Via.
What?
We're conjoined twins.
On iPhones.
We're conjoined twins by the hair.
Conjoin me, twin.
Conjoin you.
Ah, not me. Cut our hair.
It's so pretty.
What time is it?
11:25.
6:30.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh God, we didn't sleep at all, did we?
We live in a place where it's always sunny.
Yes,
California.
California girls were unpredictable. Are you okay? Seems like you got upset again that I know.
What?
I don't know. Oh, I passed the driver's test. Yes. I'm gonna put my feet up here now. Hope you don't mind. I just marked on my pants. Oh, hey, look, my shirt.
Marked on my pants.
What's the next word?
Marked on my pants.
Double rainbow all the way across the sky. Whoa, oh my God.
It's a double rainbow.
So bright, so vivid. Starting looks like a triple rainbow.
Oh my God.
Wait, what's the bed and two thing? He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them so you may
Turn the camera the other way.
Hide your kids,
Hide your wife. Hide your kids and your husbands, 'cause they rape them. And your mama. Oh, never mind. I shouldn't say that.
Were you going to say Obama? That wasn't that so bad. No, I think Obama's pretty protected. He's pretty beast.
Maybe it's someone
Ah,
named...
my phone! Grab my phone! Grab my phone! Oh my God!
Oh my God! Give me the phone!
No. Oh my God, it sits there. Look at that. How cool is that? You sure?
One upside down on your camera.
That's your camera.
On your screen.
On your YouTube.
Yes. I'm in your house right now. Stalking you. She is too.
No, I'm not. I don't stalk. People stalk me. What are
You're
you
in their
talking
house right now, though. He's a beast.
Persuasive. I can be persuasive.
Persuasive.
What are we gonna do? Okay, that's up my nose. That's not cool at all.
What?
Let's like go back here some. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Snoop Tube.
We should take
Goodbye, Boob Tube.
We should do it really pretty. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye. Oh wait, we're singing?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye.
Make a pretty face.